Hi all, welcome to MTP Academy. My name is Murugesh. In this video, we are going to be discuss on weekly market update. How is world market and how is Indian indexes are doing, and which sector we need to be focus actually, and which are the stocks we need to be go for long and go for short also. Okay, let's move to my slides, and there we can review market. Okay. Hi, one more thing I thought to discuss with you people. From May 1st or in first week of May, I'm going to be launch a online course, which is, which is contained from basic to advanced level of technical analysis. Okay. The name of the course is, Pro Trader Secret. Okay. And I'm just working with a technical part, technical team, because I'm launching in a form, in a very systematic form of in form of a funnel actually. And the work is started, and it will take another 1 or 2 weeks to be launched, that one. And it includes everything like 5 pillars of technical analysis, risk management, basic of price, volume, pattern, momentum, and volatility. And apart from that, the strategies I plan for a 4 to 5 strategies in a two category. One is income generation, and another one is wealth creation. And apart from that, one more segment is a FNO. So many people are very interested about trading options, that is as a how to hold that for 100% or 200% premium. Okay, I personally practicing to trade which are give me more than 100% option trades actually. I'm going to be introduce that also. Okay. And apart from that, just with respect to psychological topics, I'm going to touch that one, because this is a basic course, and more of more of the topics which related to technical analysis, but it's a bundle for to be become a pro trader actually. All the basic and advanced technical things I'm going to insert. And as a early bird offer, you can connect with me to get that one. uh, in a description section, I updated my free WhatsApp group link, and along with that, I'll update my number also. You can reach out to me for any clarification with respect to curriculum or topics or a price point or whatever it may be. Okay, we can discuss, and we can you people can buy and take a use of that. Okay. Yes. Okay. In this video, we are going to first review global market. Okay. After that, India index, after the sector, and stocks from that particular bullish or bearish sector. Okay, this is how I used to be select the stocks to trade for for a longer time, like 2 to 3 week or month, or more than that, until and unless those stocks are there in the bullish or bearish view. Okay. In this slide, you can see here, these are the global market which are performed last week. Okay, I selected US, Germany, Japan, and Korea markets, how they are performed compared to last week and this one. If you see here, this is a previous week prices of a sector, I mean index, and what changed. And here you can compare previous week RSI and this week RSI actually. And clearly we can see RSI. You know that I used to be follow RSI and baby. In RSI the levels will be 40 and 60. If it is less than 40, that means it's a bearish. If it is above 60, that means completely bullish. Okay, and between that, that will be a sideway market. Okay. And first we can compare for our US markets, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and SPX. It is a fall 2 to 5% fall in these three indexes, and all three are below in daily below 40. That means there is a problem. Definitely there is a problem. And still RS, in monthly it's holding 60 RSI. That means there is a, if in case in this upcoming week, if they are going to take any support from RSI 40, then we can see some you know uh, bounce back in the US market. Otherwise it's again continue the selling. But this week you can observe and discuss next week also. And with respect to Germany, Japan and Korea, yes, they are also same at support, at 40 support. And Japan is it's fall more than a 5%, 6.67. That means overall I can say that global markets are at support actually. Okay. And we have to see how these going to be performing coming week. And we'll compare India market also, how they are, whether those are at support or it's already support broken, or what exact scenario is there in India market. Okay. This is Indian market's performance. If you see here also, Nifty Sensex are at 40 support, weekly and monthly above 60. That means there is a hope for the pullback. And Friday it was a very good green candle has made in that Nifty. That means there is a possibility to be go long from this particular support. Okay. And Bank Nifty, yes, they are between say, 60 and 40. Okay. And we have to see how for finance sectors will going to be performed, because Bank Nifty or a Fin Nifty are the backbone for the Indian share market, because those are the primary sectors we used to call. Okay. And with respect to sectors, yes, pharma is at 40 support, weekly and monthly above 60. That means there is a possibility to be bounce back just like a Nifty. Okay. And metal, okay, all or 60 still. I mean, even though Nifty came to 40, but metal sector is holding 60, above 60 for all the RSI, daily, weekly and monthly. That means you know the metal sector is the outperforming sector compared to Nifty also. That means if Nifty is take a support from here, then we are going to trade metal sectors actually. Okay. Next, see the charts of a Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, Fin Nifty. Yes, if you see here, exactly it take a bounce back on last Friday from 40 support, and it made a very good candle, right? And in weekly it is in a channel, so it stay again closed within the channel. That means that is something good, good for the you know uh, people who trade long. It's good for the bulls actually. Okay. And in weekly it is taking a support. This is very important, because it's not easy to be break 60 support in weekly actually. If it is breaking down from the 60, that means there is a huge bearishness in the market. Okay. Next, Bank Nifty. Okay, it is sideways in daily. It took support from the 40, but problem is that it is already below the 16 weekly. Okay, even though it took a support from moving average 20 or a middle band, but still, until and unless it is surpassing that resistance 48,700, then we have to be wait. I personally, no trade zone for me at this particular with respect to Bank Nifty actually. I can trade Nifty because it is at the bottom with a low uh, risk. I can start accumulating quantities or lots. But Nifty for Bank Nifty, I'll wait for breakout from that resistance which is there, upper trend line, upper channel trend line. Okay. And for Bank Nifty, this is a daily chart. Okay. See, already it is face a resistance, and it came back to the 47,000 from 49, 49,000. Now it made a very good candle and took a support at 40. It's a good point, but we have to see how it is going to be performed for this upcoming week, right? And this is a Fin Nifty. It is similar to Bank Nifty chart only. Okay, either we have to wait until it is breakout from that top. Okay, or else we can slowly build a long positions here. And this is a Sensex. It looks like similar to Nifty actually. Okay, we can start building small lots from here for the target of 75,000 again. Okay, there is a minimum space for this is a 75,000. Okay, and currently it is trading around 72 73,000. That means there is a possibility to be more 2,000 points in next week. Okay, this is what Indian sector in index view. Okay, and we'll go to sectors. We can check those how those are working actually. Okay, and for that I'll go to fires terminal. There we can see all the sectors and stocks at a time. First, as I said, that metal is good, very good sector compared to other. So just first we will review the metal sector. Okay, yes, look at this. Okay, it is taking support from 60, not 40. Nifty is taking support at 40, but metal sector is taking support at 60. That means all the RSI above 60, it is a outperforming sector. If Nifty is reversing from 40 and going to 60 and above, that means this is the first sector where it's going to be perform very well, right? Okay, and within that, which stocks we can review. Okay, I personally trading Jindal Steel, because the reason behind Jindal Steel is cup breakout. Okay, if you see in monthly, this is a perfect cup breakout. Okay, and it is performing very well from 800 to 900. It's already moved, but if you see in daily, okay, it's 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 made a good bullish candle. If it is cross Monday, if it is cross 936.40, then we can see 975 and 990 in upcoming week. Okay, within week I can say that uh, we may see 990 target for this week. If in case Nifty also start going upside and metal sector also moving, that means there is a huge potential in Jindal Steel. Okay, and apart from that, there are other two stocks where one is Hindalco. uh, yes, Hindalco, it is performing good, but the problem is there is a resistance, then I don't touch this one. Sale. Huh. Yes, this is also similar thing that there is a resistance here. Okay, this is also small cup breakout, but yes, but until it is crossing all time high, then we have to wait. Vedanta, similar thing, it has to cross its all time high 500 range, near to 500 range, or 450 460. Thereafter you can see a uh, uh, you know uh, good movement in Vedanta. Okay, apart from that, GSW, we'll check this last, GSW and Tata. Okay, GSW is good, but if you see this movement for last uh, 2 to 3 year, it is not a moment, it is not in a momentum in a higher time frame. It will go up down, so that will be a problem. But just we'll track this. If it is breaking out from this particular 920 zone with a volume, because there is no volumes actually in higher time frame. So if in case we are trading this, then there is a lot of whipsaws actually. So my point is that let's break 900 price range. After that, we can track this particular you know uh, JSW Steel. Yes, look at this. Coal is a perfect, breakout, cup breakout. But what happened? It is not sustaining. It is not at all sustaining because of Nifty. But now Nifty also reversing. Metal sector is already doing. Uh, Along with that, that gold and silver are all time high. That means related to metal commodities. So overall, if in case we are going to be trade metal sector, then my first preference will be Jindal Steel. It's already breakout from the cup. Second, you know, preference will be for the Coal India. I'll track these two stocks where we can trade, we can start accumulating the stocks in a cash also. Okay, this is what with respect to Nifty. Sorry, Nifty metal. And in pharma is one sector where it is at the support level. Okay, as I said you already, I shown you the stats. It is at support. Look at this. And in weekly, you see the RSI is above 60. Okay, so my point is that there is a high probability to be take support from here. I just you see, when last time when it came to 40, it bounced back from here and it went to again all time high, swing high. Okay, and there is a possibility, I don't say it will go again to 19,400, but we'll wait for a green candle, let it fill this particular gap. Okay, after that we can choose a particular stock from pharma sector to go long. Okay, and we can check few stocks from pharma sector actually. No, there is no trade in Dr. Reddy. Yes, yes, exactly. Sun Pharma, see, this is closed below 40, but it looks like similar to the sector chart. If in case pharma sector took a support from 40, then the first stock will be Sun Pharma. Okay, and you can just make a note of stocks from metal. I'll also make a note because I didn't. From Jindal steel, from Jindal and coal, from metal, from pharma. First one is a Sun Pharma. Okay, we'll check another few. Uh, no, not interested. It's coming down. Cipla, not interested. Both RSI in weekly and daily below. In daily, it is below 40 and below 60 in weekly. So no, and it is a loud move. No. Yes. Second one is a lupin because RSI is 60 above in weekly and monthly and at 40 and at support also. Okay. But we have to wait here for the green candle. Right. And yes, Glenmark is more, you know, stronger than Sun Pharma and lupin. Why? All the RSI are above, 60. Just like a Jindal steel in metal sector, Glenmark Pharma in pharma sector. Okay, the first preference goes to Glenmark. So we can track this one from the pharma sector. Okay, we got two stocks from metal, three stocks from pharma. Okay, and reality sector or uh, let's review this one because this is the very strong sector, one of the strong sector. Okay, reality and metal. One more sector which I plan to review is one second, energy and infra. Okay, let's discuss about this. Reality sector. Look at this. Both the RSI above in weekly and monthly. It is above. It is a trending sector. You can say. Okay, and it is taking support at 60 now. It closed below 60, but made a good candle. Okay, and moving average 20 moving average or a middle band support also there. So there is a possibility to be reverse here from reality. Okay, Which one we can the stock which I am tracking is DLF. You know why? It is already breakout from the cup from 500 to it's already moved almost 100% in, and now it is at support of 40. Okay, right? Previous this trade I took from 822. I traded till 929 930, I think so. This trade was it made more than 1 lakh per lot. So now it is coming down and taking a support at 40, right? So uh, let's try to catch a good if it is reverse from here, then definitely we can trade a DLF from a reality. Okay. uh, we'll go to some other sector where energy sector, where those are very strong. Yes, here in energy sector, same. But look at this, both the RSI in weekly and monthly above 60, but it is below 60. It is resisting from the 60. If you see here, it is resisting from the 60. Okay, so we have to be very careful while trading. Either it has to be at the support of 40. Look at this, when it came to support 40, it went to 60. There is the best swing trades we can do. We can choose any of the good stock from the uh, energy sector, and we would have make this money. Okay, from 40 to 60. I hope you understand. From energy sector, yes, we have to wait for the cup breakout in ONGC, IOC. I think yes. IOC is already breakout from the cup, but it is taking support now. You can see this as a CIP, and NTPC is already trending. Okay, and power grid. Okay. Yes, this is also doing good actually. Okay, we have to find. It has already took a support from 50. I think yes, yes. It took a support from 50 and making, but it's in a sideway in a daily, so there is no point to be track this one. From energy sector, just we have to wait for a proper setup. And one is startup or exactly. I choose I started exactly from energy sector. I'll be I'm going to be track Tata Power and one stock. Okay, let's go ahead with few stocks. See, this is how we have to track the sectors based on the uh, review. We have to choose the stocks for the upcoming week. You can continue with other sectors also, but just for a I'm tracking few stocks. Just I'll go to those charts and we can discuss. Okay, one is Indus Tower. Look at this. In this bearish market also, this particular stock is doing good. The reason behind that, this is a pattern. This is a breakout. Okay, so when and there we have a opportunity, we have to start building this particular stock, but it is already moved out. It is already in a trending. Okay, and when it crossed 300, we have a 300 315. We had a very very good uh, opportunity. I gave a call or a buy call for, at this particular price, and okay, we started trading at 314 and now it is 350. Okay, and another stock is Maruti. Look at this. From auto sector, it is doing very good. First it broke out from 10,000 and retested that and started moving. It's already 12,700, and now it is at 60 support. It already crossed closed well, so uh, we can see a target of 13,000 in this week. Okay. Yes, I hope you like the video. We have discussed about the global market, Indian market, and sector, and the important other good stocks to be go long. Okay, and within that we have choose 4 5 stocks: Jindal Steel, Glenmark, Tata Power, DLF, and INDUSTOWER. These are the 4 5 stocks where we can go long once the we got a confirmation from the Nifty. Already it is confirmed, like made a good candle with a support of 40. So definitely there is a high probability to be reversed from here. Okay, so just use this information to be plan your trades. Okay, this is all information is for educational purpose. And one more thing I already explained about launching a course, and be part of this course so you can learn. And it is have a very little amount. uh, it's good for me to be start a course, and along with that you can get a lot of information and in a structured way of learning. Thank you. Happy trading.